Okay, my darlings, I want to make popcorn. I'm going to make this popcorn and I'm going to pack it here. Previously, you know, let me tell you something that I just found out. And me, I did not even know. Do you know that there are different popcorns? They have popcorn like corns for popcorn and corns like normal corn seed you used to cook. I never knew. That is why whenever I'm making popcorn, my popcorn will get bones, my popcorn will get bones. Because of recent that I found out that there are different types of popcorn and corns. They have different corns for popcorn and they have different corn seed for cooking. So join me, let's make popcorn and I'm gonna pack them, seal them. You can see my sealing machine is here already. So this is how this one comes. So I'm putting it inside my microwave. Just like this for 1 minute. That's it. 1 minute. Okay. So now that it has cooked for one minute. So this is how I do mine. There is salt in this corn already. There is salt inside already. So I'll just be adding sugar to it. Then I'll allow it to pop for more 1 minute. One more minute. Okay, so this is it here. It's super hot. So let me show you something. When you open this pack, although there are different types, I'm not saying you must use this one, but for those of you that will use this one, you're going to see it here up and you're going to see it here down. So this side here would be down, so you can pop fast. So I'll repeat this process in popping all the sauce. Alright, so so this is it. My children did not even allow me finish my video. Yeah, this is almost one of them. I'm just going to seal cheese this home because it's not much. We're putting almost everything. So this is it. So I'll be putting on the cheese on. This one, this girl will stand and finish it. So that is it. Thanks for watching.